How did I manage to make 5,000 rands in January 2023 while I was sleeping? This video is going to show you very quickly how I did that, even though it took a while to get to where I am. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, I'm a learning and development practitioner. I'm also a YouTube coach. I'm passionate about YouTube, and that's exactly how I managed to make 5,000 rands while I was sleeping this month. I went to my Gmail account and I opened a YouTube channel, and then I started working on the channel and I started adding videos on the channel. And one of these videos this month, it gave me a affiliate amount that I want to log in and show you so that it is shown and it's not Photoshop. Then you can see that this is exactly how I managed to make 5,000 rands while I was sleeping this month. So it came in three formats. The first format was YouTube AdSense, or the YouTube Partnership Program, which I'm going to show you last. And the second one was Canva Affiliate Marketing. And then the last one would be the Designer Affiliate Marketing. And those are not the only ways that you can make money on YouTube. There's other ways like brand deals and crowdfunding and selling your own product and services, which is also working for me in my little business. So let's jump right in and show you how I managed to make 5,000 rands while I was sleeping this month. The first affiliate that I want to share with you, it's called Impact. If you go on impact.com or app.impact.com, you can register on the affiliate marketplace. This is a marketplace with different kinds of companies that have come together to say you can advertise our businesses and get commission. So one of the businesses that I advertise a lot is Canva. That's on the impact.com marketplace. Currently, they've just paid me. I'm going to click where it says balance so I can show you, and you can take your calculator and calculate this with me. So here's the first transaction that I want to show. The 30th of January, they paid to my bank account. You see, it's a bank transfer. They paid $356.13, which was made from the Canva links that people are upgrading to Canva Pro. And I do get from time to time. So in December, I got checked for 503. So affiliate marketing really works. So did you take out your calculator and you're calculating with me? So the first amount is $356.13. Maybe I should just show you. When you go to brands on this marketplace and you go to find brands, there are 3,649 rows of companies that are in this marketplace, and it ranges from $15 to $70 to $40 to 20%. So it depends on which niche that you are at. There's Upwork. When you scroll down my niche, and I'm going to be doing a couple of reviews when it comes to my niche, which includes Skillshare, domain.com that pays $85 to $110 and so on. So there's Teachable, and there's Teachable that I'm going to be also doing, and International Open Academy. So this marketplace is like a gold mine to us content creators. I just wanted to share it with my designers community to show you that there is a way that you could start making money using YouTube or any other platform if you share videos that add value and you refer people to your link and then they upgrade. As you saw, my first check that I wanted to show you for January was Canva, which is part of the marketplace. Let's jump in on number two. Number two is called ThriveCart. Once you log in on ThriveCart, you are able to see your links and commission for that day. And if you click on the drop down arrow and you go to month to date, which is January, this is how much I made in January from thrivecart.com, which is Designer. This is the Designer tool that I have created a video on YouTube, and I've had 16 clicks, and the commission was $80.50. and the gross sales for the company was $188, but somebody had a refund and they took back 13. It would have been a little bit more if somebody didn't cancel or change their mind, which is okay. So in total, I had 5 transactions that paid me a total commission of $80.50. So in South African rands, $80.50 times 18, because we're in South Africa, it is 1,149. So plus the 356 we were talking about, it is now, our total is 1,805. And that's Thrive. So if you want to check out Thrive and be part of Thrive, you can Google thrivecut.com and then you can look at the product and you can sign up. They will also want you where you're going to advertise their products, which social media platform. So building an impact first before you look at commission is very crucial. The last one that we're going to look at is my YouTube AdSense check. So we're going to go to my studio and we're going to look at my check for the month of January. And we're going to go to our analytics and we're going to click on revenue. And when you scroll down, it shows you how much I'm earning for the month of January. Today is the last day and YouTube is 2 days behind. So far, it's 3,608 that I'm getting as a piece of a pizza slice for the month of January. So if we add that to the amount that we've been calculating together, it's 3,608, possibly a little bit more. The total amount is 5,413 for the month of January. And this excludes my courses that I've sold. I don't have any brand deals. I don't want to lie, I don't have any brand deals. I only have courses that I've sold and coaching that I've done. But I just wanted to show you that it is possible. If this 50-year-old with gray hair can manage to make 5,000 rands a month of January while she's sleeping, so can you. Visit learnwithzat.com and buy yourself a YouTube course and start learning how to build a YouTube that is going to eventually start making you money. It's not going to be overnight, but it's doable. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I'm super excited, as you can tell. I will see you on the next video.